26 Barcelona. The sun is shining out there, but we're still in the hall. Got a bit longer to go. It's been a busy day. I've come across a company I haven't come across before. This is Polyprint. I'm here with Kostis. Hi, Kostis. Thank you for talking to me.
Nice to meet you.
Tell me a little bit about Polyprint, who you are and what you do.
Yeah, Polyprint is based in Greece. It's a company more than 50 years old. It was working mostly with script printing supplies and equipment, but from the early 2000s we turned into digital printing, and with our own R&D and development and production department, we were manufacturing mostly DTG printers for more than 20 years until the market shift, and we had to adapt, and we started introducing also DTF solutions.
Yep.
We were mostly designing industrial equipment for the past couple of years, but now we return to our original customer base, which is entry to medium level with a new series of products that we have here today in Barcelona.
Okay, well, I'm very keen to see what these new products are, but before we do that, the DTF market is a very fast growing one, isn't it? It's a good market
Indeed.
to be in. Where do you sit in that at the moment?
First of all, it's a new technology, so there is a lot of room for improvement, and we expect to have many new things coming in the next couple of years. We are always trying to push, innovate, and bring new solutions in the market, and as a matter of speech, we will also discuss about something very exciting.
I look forward to it.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, well, good. Let's have a look at your products. Where should we start?
Yeah, we can start with the filmJet Mini, which is the commercial units that we have, the filmJet Mini series, which is those two units.
Yeah.
They're identical, only just the width changes. We build them having in mind to make it a very compact unit, but also to make a unit that provides a complete solution for the customers that either just start up with DTF or they want to scale up. So by saying that, I mean that it's a complete solution. It doesn't have only the traditional printer, powder shaker or dryer, but it also has an embedded PC with a RIP software and a filter, and an air filter. Okay. So practically the only thing that you need to have a business is a heat press. And the idea was to make it as easy as possible to use, but also as safe as possible to use.
Yeah.
Of course, the embedded RIP software allows us this because you have the simplicity of using a RIP software. You just import the images either with a USB stick or with LAN cable or with Wi-Fi from your phone.
Yeah. Okay.
You select the image that you want to print. You can select, of course, multiple ones. You can stretch it, rotate it, center it, put copies, put spacing, select the right profile, the whiting density, select the white mask settings, press print, and that's it. The RIP software does the rest. Okay. It will rip the job and print it.
And this is the oven and the powder, everything's all contained in here?
Yes, they are communicating, so the oven will start automatically. Okay. I'm just going to increase a little bit the shaker blade strength, so we make sure that we get all the excess powder off. But this is the typical process of a customer that does every day.
Yep.
And as discussed, we also make sure that we have as safe as possible use for the customer.
Sure.
Meaning that we have installed sensors to monitor when the film ends, when the powder ends, when the film raises and might touch the print head, or when the ink ends, to prevent, first of all, misprints and possible user mistakes, and also to make sure that the machine runs at perfect condition all the time.
Sure.
Nevertheless, they are covered with complete warranty. That includes also the print heads, and one very important aspect is that the machine can grow with your business. We have two different head configurations, the Epson i1600 or the 3200, and the good thing is that it's upgradable anytime.
Okay.
So if the customer buys with 600 heads and at some point the production increases to a point that is not enough, he doesn't need to change the machine, he just upgrades it. So it's a very convenient solution.
So it'd be a nice way to start off at a level you can afford and scale up
Correct.
step by step as your business grows.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
And it's the
Very
same
neat
thing.
machine. Shall
Yeah,
we,
just the width changes.
yeah, so these two are the
Yeah.
same, just
Yeah.
60, 30.
Yeah.
Makes sense. And it is, well, you can see it's completely the same.
Yeah, they're very compact in size.
Yeah, yeah. Very good. Very good, very good. So what, so you look at,
Yes,
it gets bigger and bigger.
These are the big news. These
Yeah.
are the big news
Oh,
because
this is new, this?
because this is not commercially yet.
Oh,
This
okay.
is a system that we are bringing in the market in cooperation with DuPont. And the main thing is that it's powderless.
Could you just explain, what does the powder do then in these? Just to,
The powder is the glue
Yeah.
that sticks, that melts with the ink and then allows you to transfer on the garment.
okay, so the powderless, what's happening there?
The powderless has a jettable, let's say, glue, a jettable adhesive that allows you though to have a much more natural feeling on the touch of the garment. So it's much lighter
Yeah.
compared to the traditional powder.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Also, the whole process is cleaner because you remove the powder process that is being applied and being shaked. So there
Yeah.
is no smell, there is no noise, and there is no particles
Okay, so it's
in
better
your
for the air
environment.
as well. Okay,
Correct.
Good.
And the other thing is that it also allows you to print a little bit more complex designs
Okay.
that have fade outs and gradients, that because the powder works as on and off.
Yeah, yeah.
So this
So it's
kind of
limited.
designs with the powderless seems much more convenient way of printing.
And this is new technology. This is
No,
but it's
no,
new for
actually, it has been many other companies have tried and have introduced solutions in the market, but it seems that we are the first ones that have something that's working, because
Right.
the main challenge is the washing resistance, the washability, and this is where we need to improve before this becomes commercial.
Okay.
We have achieved 20 washes, which is very good for advertisement, for promotional business.
Yeah.
But for the whole application of DTF, it needs more.
More, yeah.
And that's what we want to improve until this comes in the market.
Okay. So I've walked past your stand a lot, and it's been quite busy. So,
Yeah.
what are people saying? Looking at
They're
this, what
very
do they say?
excited. They're very excited because, first of all, they have seen this technology fail in the past,
Right.
but they have very high hopes because this is backed up by DuPont as well.
Okay.
And which is one of the major companies, and Polyprint has been a very close partner with them
Yep.
for more than 20 years. And we also strongly believe in this because we have seen results, and we know that there is a lot of room for improvement.
Good, good. And are you kind of here at FESPA? Are you looking for partners? What are you
Yes,
looking for?
Polyprint works with a distribution network because one of our priorities is the support of the end customer. And we want our customers to have the most affordable and best service.
Yep.
So we are always looking for partners worldwide to expand our dealers network.
Okay.
We don't sell directly except if it's local, in Greece.
Greece. Yeah, fair enough. And are you looking for specialist partners to do this that are in the DTF market, maybe not, or are they just sort of looking to move into that?
There are partners, yes, that either were afraid to go to the solutions that are currently in the market and are looking something more branded, let's say, to go to. There are always like this, or there are people that are not happy with the equipment that they represent right now, and they want to move to something else. But it's a mix, I would say. It's there are also companies that offer very quality products, but for different customer types.
Sure.
So always a distributor or a company wants to offer a wide range of products to cover the customer base.
I should think the integrated solutions here must be quite popular, because having separate ovens, separate this, it's harder.
Yes, but it's not. I wouldn't say it's the main advantage. The main advantage would be the compact helps a lot in the print shops that have very limited space.
Sure.
Which is actually the customers that we mostly these models are mostly for. But of course, the fact that it has a complete solution and complete warranty. I think it's the most appealing on this product.
Okay, is there anything else? I'm sure I saw another printer on yours.
Yes, yes.
There it is.
As Polyprint, we strongly believe in DTG.
Okay.
Despite as a market, the requests have dropped significantly.
Yeah.
But due to the introduction of DTF,
Okay, so this is direct to garment now, not
direct to
film.
garment.
So,
yeah.
Okay, good.
But we still believe that there is a big customer base that wants this because of the benefits that it provides.
Yeah.
And if your business is on demand with one-offs and stuff like that, it's still the solution for you. It's the most right solution. Also, for small businesses that enter now the market, having a DTG printer allows them to have practically a hybrid machine, because a DTG printer can also do manually DTF, whereas a DTF printer cannot do DTG, of course. Okay, so there are many people that prefer to invest in a single equipment and do some more things manually, but have one unit than buying two or standalone DTF.
Okay, so. And again, has this been getting a lot of attention here at the show?
Yes, because it's the only printer, in my knowledge at least, at the entry-level segment that it's 9 colors. So it's white and CMYK and RGBO. So we bring a solution that offers the advantages of a bigger color gamut, of more bright colors, much better printing quality in this market segment.
Fantastic. Well, a lot of great products. I'm going to ask, so your machine there, when do you think that's going to be commercially available? Have you got a time scale?
Yes, we have. The target is to have it at September, so starting from autumn. Okay. Because as a hardware is pretty much ready, it's the settings that need to be adjusted in order to have the best possible washability that we can achieve, because this is the sweet point of the powderless DTF.
Fabulous. Well, look, really interesting. Thanks so much for showing me around.
Thank you very much
Absolute
as well.
Pleasure, Kostis.
It was a great pleasure.
Bye-bye. Did you just